Welcome to day 16 of our 30-day countdown towards the Further Maths GCSE. And in the last episode, or yesterday, we were given the question to rearrange this equation to make y the subject. Now, I notice that both sides there are y's, and they're both in brackets. So my first step would be to expand both brackets. So we're going to do 3 times 2y, which is 6y. 3 times 1 is 3. We're going to do a times y, which is ay, a times minus 5, which is minus 5a. So now we're at a point where we've got y's on both sides. So we need to rearrange our equation to get all the y's on one side and all the other stuff on the other. Now, in this one, it doesn't actually matter if we get it over, the y is over to the right-hand side or the left-hand side. So as we've got a 6y on the left, let's just get the y's over to that side. So I'm going to subtract ay from both sides. So that's going to get rid of the y's on the left-hand side. And now here, I'm going to subtract 3 from both sides to get rid of the other stuff. So now we've got the situation where we've got 6y, take away ay. Now, we can't simplify this bit, and we've got y appearing in two terms. So the trick we're going to do is we're going to factorize out our y. So we're going to do y times 6 gives me 6y, and y times a, or negative a, gives me negative ay. And on the right, for good measure, I'm just going to factorize out a negative sign to make sure everything is positive. So we're going to divide both sides by this thing multiplying by my y. So that cancels out. We're going to get y on the left. This negative, I'm just going to pull out the front just to make it look a bit nicer. And on the top of the fraction, I'll put 3 plus 5a. And on the bottom of the fraction, I'm going to put the 6 minus a, because that's what we're dividing by. So we made y our subject. We got y equals. So today's question is a 4-digit clock, has the numbers 2, 3, 4, and 7. Sorry, 4-digit code. The first digit of the code is less than 5, and then the code is an even number. How many different combinations are there?